bantu balomsi ngibonile kule nkonzo umqondiso wokufa kwenkosi naphiwa kubomi bovukodwayo libuvile kuyo lokubudlelana nemilomo kaQamatha kunye nezihlwele ngoku sifikelele esiphelweni sithi makube qamabhukuni kuze kube nkosi.
Lusina umkhokheli wabo bakholelwa kuwe. Khangela ngokubele nomkhonzazana wakho umbizele kowubumi nomsebenzi wokuzile kungcwele. Umphe ngelizwi nomzelelo wakhe akhokela abantu bakho. Baze bathi azathi ekugqibeleni eyifezile inkonzo yakhe emhlabeni. Afikelele ukuba izakho maphakathi kwenze okubawo ngenxa kaYesu Kristu inkosi yethu. Kuba ke ngicimba ngayimaneja le yokuba nithakazile zezibhlesingi nasenayimosha ngicimba ngoba njengoba kakhulu inkonzo bezifumana okwaneleyo phakathi alingani ishiywe ngithayile i-certificate ordination license yokufundisa akazitheleke ikhuthulisho license i-certificate le sesakho forever and ever akho mntu uzasithola njengoba nawupasa esikolweni xa unika isatifiketi se-qualification okuhospitali iba sesakho kodwa yona ilicense lena it will set up the past way bishop. And therefore, they will bishop with an issue that you have with money. But bishop and revoke license. But the certificate has now shown. So it's irrevocable. So ngihamba naso bengazobe icala kodwa lasi certificate yokufundisa ibe license yokungena. So andizokwenza madele sakwenza nje ukulingisa apha bengathi ngiyamnika le ofuna yonke le needs esisilungu sikhulu sidini. Just to say umfundisi Baba James usicela uqondo bakho abaqondi basisifu abantu baphana nawe kena bakula nje nesicela uqondo ba umntana sithathe ngapha sizobeza ukufundisa eKapa kodwa bakhona phana ukhula nabo abantwana bayakholisa. So ukhona ukungaqondi iqhuba kwabantu baseGeorge nabaseBonson lapho ebesebenza khona. Kodwa isijinga kwasibeka eKapa is just economical. Silethwa iziciko yemali. U-August Memorial, isithuma sayenze August Memorial eBonson. Kwathi hey abantu bakhuphe too much money, especially ukuza weekend ayikhamekile vele. So sayihokisa lela mcimbi waseBonson because of financial constraints asakwazi ukuya phaya. Kodwa la I promise the next August Memorial uzokuyela eBonson. Ngiyafuna ukukhuluma ngiliproduce Bamba, everyone already read. Of course, 4 days, the justice will be Thank you.
And 40. Yes, they are recording.
It's a show off. I joined over here. 1 minute. Thank you. I think that what everyone's really there, that they are the conference, the question is actually one or two things saved by the conference. Since that we over the conference, but I'm going to do your person. So it's going to fast track or because the people that are going to